Hello everyone, welcome to the GeoEcologist. I'm Dr. Krishnanand, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how to take these online courses from our website TheGeoecologist.com. These courses are for UPSC Geography Optional, for UGC NET Assistant Professor Examination, for CUET Entrance Examination. These courses have been specially made for those self-learning students who don't want to spend too much of time and money in traveling to these huge big coaching institutions and spending a lot of money. So if you want affordable solutions for your self-learning for these examinations, you're most welcome to the geoecologist.com. So if you go to our website, thegeoecologist.com, the link is given in description. You can check this website for yourself. And on these websites, the all online courses that we have designed is available. These are recorded live classroom lectures that I took online on Zoom, and same lecture is available here, and attachment is also available for download, which means it's one-stop solution. All the study materials as well as all the videos are available to learn for the fixed number of days. So you can check all the details here in the green button. All the courses are available to take it directly. But if you want to explore the details of the course, just drag it down and check the details. The prices are also given. The base prices are given. Like for example, for UGC NET JRF Assistant Professor course, the base price is 3,500 rupees. Why I say base price? Because above this 18% GST you have to give to the government as well. So remember, whatever is the base price, on that 18% GST will be charged finally when you buy this course. Now, basic way of buying this course is to click on any of these courses. For example, the recent course that we have launched, it Applied Geography and Geoinformatics. If you click here, you can go to this page. Straight away, you can simply click on take to the course, or simply first go to this course and check all the details, right? For example, this course is for 150 days, right? It means you can view the videos till 150 days, and you can also download the study material. Videos are not supposed to be downloaded. Now, if you take this course, so what will you do? Before that, you just watch this free video orientation lecture video, right? And then you make up your mind, do you want this course? Once you have made up your mind, click on take this course. It will guide you to this page. If you don't want to look into the details, you're sure that you want to take the course, you can directly come to this through the green button on the front page, right? Now you do add to cart here. So when you add to cart, you'll see the final price here, including the GST charges. Then you can proceed to checkout, where you'll have to fill your billing details. And once you do it and you place order, you have to pay the money through whichever gateway is available and whichever method you choose. Once payment is made, the course will be highlighted in your dashboard. Do you see this name here? This is my dashboard. So when I click on the dashboard, where do I go? I go to this page, and here courses, when I click on the course, look here in my enrolled courses, this course will be activated here finally. So once you are done with the payment, what you need to do is just go to your dashboard and start learning. Still, if there is any confusion, the technical support number on the website is given. I have also given the same number in description of this video. So you can talk to the technical support if you have any website related issue. And if you want any certain counseling related to the course, if you have some confusion that would you like to take the course or not, or if you have any other question, feel free to WhatsApp us at 9311052969, where I'll be responding to your queries before you buy the course. And remember, because these are intellectual property rights, so once you buy this course, it's non-refundable. Once the course opens to you, you cannot say that I don't want this product, I want to give it back. So before you buy the course, make sure that you have checked all the details. So I hope this message is good for you. So if you are a UPSC aspirant or assistant professor exam aspirant or CUET entrance examination aspirant, please go to the website thegeoecologist.com, explore the details for yourself, and then buy the course. And these are affordable courses, effective courses to fit into your budget as well as in your timeline of preparation. I hope this makes sense. So all the best wishes to all the learners, all the aspirants.